In this section, I will show you how to plot several lines on different axes in the same figure. So the first thing, we generate the figure, and then we place it at the position we want with certain size, 800 times 500. You see now it's here. And then I generate the variable x1. Now we want to set up 3 axes on this plot. The first one will be set up with this command, axis, and I want the position of this axis is at this value. I will show you what do they mean. Point 1 means the distance from the border to the left side of the axis is 10% of the whole width. And so this also, the second point 1 is this distance is 10% of the whole height. And then the width of the figure, the width of the axis is 35% of the whole figure, and the height of the axis is 80%. And now in this axis, I will plot a line, which is a sine function. And also, I can plot another line, which actually is a bar on the same axis. Yeah. Okay. Now let's move to the next axis. I call it axis 2. Here, I use the same command axis to create one at this position and with this size. And after that, we can plot another line at the new axis, and the same way we can generate the third axis. But you notice that here I receive the return value from axis command and make it not make it. The return value is basically a axis handle AH2. Again, it's a mostly random number. I can use this handle to go back to the second axis and change its properties. For example, I want the size of the ticks be larger, and also I want box be the border of the box be wider. Here you see, and also I can set the last axis I have generated. The current axis is the last axis you have generated. So it's axis 3. I do the same thing. Change the border and font size, and if you click this one, and I'm not sure if you can set up this one, the first axis as the current axis. Let's try it. Yeah. If you click it, it will activate this axis and make it the current. And finally, we save the picture. The size we want, 8 inches times 5 inches with 100 dots per inch, so 800 pixels times 500 pixels. Here we are. The result here. Alright, let's conclude this section. See you next time.